I am Martina.
I am Grazia.
And we are Sfogline Bolognesi. The best food in Europe is in Bologna.
The city is so serious about its cuisine that many recipes are formally registered with the Chamber of Commerce. Among the most iconic recipes of them all is pasta ragu. Simply put, pasta with meat sauce.
So the ragu is our traditional sauce. So it's the only sauce that we use with the pasta.
Every kitchen in Bologna adds its own touches to this classic recipe. Today, Martina and Grazia are sharing how they do it.
So for me, the classic ragu, you have to add olive oil at first, celery, carrot, and onion chopped. And then we add the pancetta, so it's the belly of the pork, minced. And then you add the other meat, half beef and half pork loin. We add all the meat. We wait that the meat are cooked.
Next, wine. Some cooks use red, but Grazia prefers white.
Mia mamma ha sempre messo il bianco, che comunque gli dà sapore, ma il colore non cambia.
Milk is added to make the meat softer.
And then for last, the tomato paste, and then a pinch of salt.
The meat is the star of this sauce, so they're careful not to add too much tomato paste.
If you add a lot of liquid, the tomato sauce especially, the ragu becomes liquid and red. Our ragu is not red.
Restaurants all over the world serve spaghetti bolognese. But in Bologna, don't even think about serving ragu on thin spaghetti. Instead, it's served on tagliatelle, a thicker pasta with a textured surface. Handmade, of course. The dough must be worked on wood to give it the right homemade texture.
My mother teach me how to roll the dough. So the pasta is ready when you can see the wood through it. Or, as you say here in Bologna, the pasta is ready when, if you make like this, you can see San Luca through it. San Luca is the most important church. You can see San Luca of every part of Bologna because it's on top. So if you see through it San Luca, the pasta is ready.
The pasta is wrapped in a cotton towel to dry without becoming hard or brittle.
So now the pasta is dry. We put the pasta in the tray and we roll the pasta. And now we can cut.
Tradition dictates it must be 8 millimeters wide when cooked.
When the tagliatelle are ready, you have to make the nest. My mother makes the nest because she is the queen of the nest.
One nest is one serving. It can be stored in the refrigerator this way, or dropped right into salted boiling water.
You have to wait just 2 minutes and it's ready. Make pasta is an art because you have to know how to choose the ingredient, how to make pasta, how to cook pasta. I'm very proud to work here. So this is tagliatelle al ragù bolognese.